Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to convert degree minute second to in decimal degree, and on the other hand convert decimal degree to degree minute second. So let's start the tutorial. Here we have a 9th location point that content in degree minute second format. So let's see how to convert in degree minute second. At first select the all latitude value which in degree minute second format and type Ctrl F to replace north. Go to replace all. Now you can see it already removed. Again type Ctrl F and type here second also, replace all. Now you can see all second value also removed. Okay, close. Then insert 4 individually blank column 1, 2, 3, 4 to calculate the equation. Again go to longitude column, type Ctrl F to find east and replace east. We easily calculated the equation. Next go to second and replace all. Okay, close. Now separated individually in degree minute second. So selected the all value, go to data, text to column, fix to it. Next here select to separated the degree and select go to text to column, fix to it. Next be careful when you select the separated, here also, okay. Now finish. So now see that converted degree, minute and second. So delete this column. Now we can see that is degree minute seconds and insert a column. Again go to here, go to text to column, fix to it. Next when you selected, be careful, here select to separated degree, here also selected and here also. Next finish. Okay, now delete it, so now it degree is seconds. Okay, latitude PD decimal degree or longitude PD decimal degree format. So let's see the formula. To convert a degree minute second to decimal degree, the formula is degree adjective, then minute divided by 60 and plus second divided by 3600. We know that 60 minute equal to 1 degree or 3600 second equal to 60 minute and 60 minute equal to 1 degree. So let's start the equation. Go to Excel. Here put the equal option. Select degree plus minute divided by 60. So go to minute column, divided by 60 plus go to second column. Here second divided by 3600. Enter. Now drag it. Now you can see in decimal degree format. Select format cell. Number. Okay. Again go to longitude, put equation degree plus minute divided by 60 plus second divided by 3600. Enter. Okay, now we can see the degree minute second to decimal degree. Decimal degree in latitude value, here decimal degree in longitude value. So next see how to convert decimal degree to degree minute second. So collect this value, copy, paste the value. When we started the video, the data format in degree minute second. Now data format is decimal degree. So let's see how to convert its degree minute second. Select it. Data text to column. Text width. Next. Here select one to divide it degree and decimal degree individually. Next, finish. Now here degree also and decimal points here also. Now select, go to equation, this into 60, enter. Now it's convert in minute seconds. So let's see. Before convert in second, copy the data and paste as a value. Because we converted text to column in equation mode, it is not converted. So before converted the data to column, ensure that this is a value character, the formatted value. So delete it and delete also. Delete also. Select, again go to text to column, fixed width. Next, here, next, finish. So now in its degree, minute and in decimal seconds. Again question, this into 60, enter and drag it. Okay. Paste value. Delete. Now it see. Yes, second. Well, now you can see it's converted in degree minute second. So let's see, you check it, it's right or wrong also. Copy, paste. Now you can see it is converted rightly. So once again, thank you. Bye bye.